Hi guys, Vicky here.
And Ruth with mayhavthatrecipe.com.
Today we're making fresh peas and fake bacon.
Okay, we're going to start with some fresh peas that we have shelled. We have about 2 cups. Then we're going to place them in a steaming basket and drop them in some salted boiling water just for a couple minutes. And we're going to remove the basket from the boiling water and place it in an ice bath. That will help the peas to stay nice and green.
Next, we're going to saute some onions with some extra virgin olive oil until translucent. Now we're going to take the bacon strips, that's how they look, the fake ones. We're going to cut them in pieces and add them to the onions.
Okay, we're going to let it cook for just a couple minutes, then we're going to add the peas. I'm going to toss it all around, all together. We're going to season it with some salt. I'm going to add some lemon zest, some lemon pepper, and if you don't have lemon pepper, you can use any other pepper you like. I'm going to let it cook for about 6 to 8 minutes until the peas are tender, and there you have it. Fresh peas with fake bacon from mayhavthatrecipe.com. Enjoy!